Hello Jammers, Shy here, and today we're looking at our updates for February 1st, volume 191, which means 191 volumes have passed. Yes, I know. So let's start with the Friendship Festival. I have heard a lot of people asking me, well, Shy, what is a Friendship Festival? Is there really even a difference? I mean, I see all the Friendship Party in the party list, but I don't really see the Friendship Festival anywhere. Well, for all those wondering, yes, there actually is a difference. The Friendship Festival is the actual event of the fact that Jammers celebrate that they have their buddies they can always rely on and that are always there for them. It's basically a celebration of happiness. And the Friendship Party is the actual party found in the party list that you can go and get some new den items to decorate your amazing dens, get some new clothes to fill up all those clothes slots, and of course just to enjoy the actual event. That's basically the whole point of it. Just try to get along with your friends and never try to argue. Always try to find a common language. And so this one is a big OMG for me, since I'm one of those people who thinks that just 500 den slots isn't enough. And yes, I'm probably gonna be thinking 1,000 isn't enough in like a week, but it's like, yep. And yes, I know some people are like, but 500, that was plenty. I mean, it's 500. I mean, you can't even buy that much stuff. Well, actually, you can, or else my whole inventory would just be impossible. Just saying. But now that we have 1,000 den items, we can go out and buy more store-bought items. Yes, I mean store-bought items. I am pretty sad, and I know that. But still, some people just love buying anything they can get their sights on, and I just really happen to be one of those people. I know. And that's why I'm endlessly running out of gems. Go figure. And of course, this is only the beginning of exciting new member benefits, which I'm pretty hyped up about. It sounds like it's going to be a blast. We also have our friendship card, which came from last year. And if you weren't able to get it last year, like me, because I wasn't sure it was going to disappear that quickly, now we know that it's going to disappear when the event is over. So make sure to grab that while you can, because it's not fun while everyone has this amazing day. You're just like, okay then. Okay, I see how it is. Okay. And so now we have this special delivery adventure, which is basically you collect Valentine's letters from the mailboxes, and every certain amount, like 100, 200, you get a prize. Basically like the Easter egg and Clover Hunt, which I know a lot of people didn't really appreciate that, but honestly I thought they were pretty fun. Except for that last little thing that you're missing. That makes everyone really unhappy. And so now we have also new chatting in JAMA, and I could rephrase that as in we can click people's name tags in chat. So what you basically can think it of as is think about that one thing you always looked for. A fashion show, a store, maybe like plushie store, or just like a general my den for sale, and then you go to their dens and just see what you can trade for. Well, yes, we all have those times where we just either want to find plushie store or fashion show. Usually a fashion show for me. But yeah, I'm poor. Very poor. So you always try to find that one person and you finally find them. And then there's 100 people just standing over them because who knows why. And you just can't seem to click their name tag, and they keep saying it, and you're just like, please, somebody move, but they're not moving, so you're stuck kind of like waiting for them. And like 5 minutes through, the person leaves because there's enough people in his den, his or her. Okay. And so, okay, that's just the one mystery I can't solve. How do people get into other people's dens when they just like flock around them? Like, I don't have magic like those people do, so I can't get in. I'm just always so frustrated because you found that one person who finally decided to post a fashion show and they left. But now you can click that blue arrow in chat and you can look up their names and click on whatever name you want to see their username. This is really helpful for those of us who just can't seem to find that second person who just hosts a fashion show. Like, people, please host more fashion shows. People really seem to like them. February 7th is Safer Internet Day, and so if you want to figure more out about that, you can actually read this page, obviously, but you can also click these flags, which you can find around Java, which I think I actually see one right there. You just click those flags and you get facts. So it's pretty interesting if you're interested in that. And then we also have the International Photography Contest, which I think is actually a pretty cool thing, since you get to see pictures of places that you might have never seen before. I mean, there could be a tropical rainforest, or it just seems pretty cool that somebody actually lives in that area. I think it's pretty interesting. Pandas will be traveling soon, so make sure to get them before they're gone. That is, if you want one. Not everyone's a big fan of it. And then llamas will be coming back soon for all those people who missed it last time they were here. Totally not me. Nope. I totally did not miss it because I was like, poor llama, poor gems. You can now get them. Well, soon. Soon now. Also, a quick update is that they removed the art from the permanent parties, but they replaced it with these little art figures, which if you click, you're directly sent to these very interesting art masterpieces, which I think are pretty cool because jammers can express their creativity. Also, you would never believe the animal on discount this week. It's the eagle, which is the #1 used flying animal in Java, or AJ, or whatever you'd like to call it. Why? Because they look amazing with spikes. And I have proof. Yes, I have proof. Look how swag that. Let's just look at it. Just look at it. Yes. Yes. No, wait. Yes. Swag. Totally swag. But yes, that's the discount today or week in the diamond shop. And of course, if you haven't checked out all the den items and the clothing items in the diamond shop, make sure to check those out. And also there's these really interesting sets like the friendship set, the ice helmet set, the royal set, the spirit set, the wind set, and the princess set. Oh wait, I forgot one. The rainbow set. Lots of sets, and make sure to get them before they're gone if you're interested in one. I also like the rainbow. It's pretty colorful. So we also have the new den, which is the friendship cottage, all filled with hearts, but it does make sense though, it is the holiday. And so if you go up here, you get to see these amazing, okay, wait, let me rephrase that. This totally non-moving and totally not helpful bench. Yes, totally not helpful. We get to this wonderful slide without getting frostbite. And yeah, it's pretty, I mean, to me that's pretty cool and magical. This whole game's about magic. Yes, it is. And I also wanted to point out some tune songs which I found pretty cool in AJ that I think you should probably check out. It's the Special Delivery and the New Year's Fortune. Special Delivery is found in the new adventure of collecting letters. And then the New Year's Fortune is, of course, in the adventure where you have to find these red little envelopes and get prizes in them. My all-time favorite song, yes, I know. I'm sad, but it is my all-time favorite song. I just really like it. Okay? And so then, a few other things I wanted to point out. There is a sale in JMR clothing on the football helmet, and you can get a matching sports jersey if you decide to be one of those football athletes. And if you if you decide to buy those outfits, you can buy this wonderful football and hopefully 2 goalposts unless you want a guaranteed win in your game. And you can invite all your jam buddies to come join you in a game of football. Maybe some spectators, maybe some teams. Just enjoy a good game. And I think that would be about it for stores. So just a quick reminder that this updates double gem game is Longshot. So make sure to check that out if you're running low on money and actually are interested in sales. I mean, actually, who isn't interested in sales? I would like to know that. And so yes, that'd be about it for this update. So we would just like to say thank you. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.